Super green drink powder, puppy formula. This is heavy whipping cream. It looks a little more yellow than the goat's milk, which comes later. And this is goat's milk yogurt. These things go in first and they have to be heated, right? They have to be heated basically in a bath of boiling water. And then after that heats for like 10 minutes, then you add apple juice and goat's milk.
So you boil the water on the stove?
Or in the kettle.
Okay.
You do the trivet. This is 1 cup. And then in here is a tablespoon. That's a tablespoon that goes inside. And then 1/3 cup goes here. In here, you put the boiling water. In here, you put the super green drink powder, the puppy formula, the heavy whipping cream, and the goat's milk yogurt. And I'll tell you how much to put in there. I'll give a little recipe. The boiling water goes in the 1 cup part. You know, so it gets close to the top of the one that's on the inside, etc. And then the ingredients go in here, and then you just put the lid on to hold the heat. Basically, that sets for 10 minutes, and then you add these two. And you mix it up with...
You add them when? After 10 minutes?
Yeah, add these two after 10 minutes. There'll be a little recipe. And then you just like mix it all up with this little bamboo stick, which is sort of the everything stick. And then it goes in here. This is the pre-mixed squirrel formula right here. Hello. And the way to do this is you figure out how many cc's. You squirt Jake away, go. Because he's way too interested in the dogs. These dogs are chill. They're more interested in dinner. Take the grapeseed oil here, put it on your finger, put it on the gasket of the syringe. This to lube it up a little bit. Lube, lube, lube. Okay, and then you're gonna stir. Make sure it's nice and blended. You see the little numbers there? That's going by milliliters on the right. You just suck up. Today I think we're at 7.8. Yeah, suck up that much. Then you put a lip on it, or a cap on it, like there. And I forgot to mention, while you're doing this, you have like hot water running. And when this is as hot as it gets, which is pretty hot, then you put, remember, formula's in there, put this in here, and you cover it up with a little baby lid to hold the heat. And you let that sit for 10 minutes. And then after that's done, 10 minutes later, take this off, dry this so that the nipple will stick on it. Here's the nipple. You may need to dry the nipple with a Q-tip. And then, boom, there you go. And then you feed her, and the key is, you want to feed, what I do is I just hold her like this, because I hold her like this firmly until I get the syringe in her mouth, and then once the syringe is in her mouth, she's going to go to town. So I could basically just hold her like this. She likes to sit here, and she likes to grab here with her little claws. And then she's going to take it all the way down to the base of this nipple, like that whole thing basically is going to go in her mouth. And then basically you want to hold the syringe so that you can see this, and watch as you push the plunger, and you want to do it as slow as you can so that it's moving the whole time, but basically as slow as you can. And she'll suck it down. She may get fussy. She may, in the middle, she probably will just be like blah, 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 and have a little freak out and take her mouth off it. She wants the whole thing. Trust me, she's hungry. So just get her to take it again. Take. Okay, she'll take it down to the base again, and then just, again, as slow as you can. And then she'll eat the whole thing, guaranteed. And then you take a little jojoba oil, put like a few drops on your middle finger, dip it in the hot water and rub her belly, and then you want to rub her little yaya and her anus to stimulate pee and poo. She should pee and poo. She should pee after every single feeding. She will poo after almost every feeding. Maybe she won't if she pooed in her nest. So look for like little poos in her nest. When they come out of her bum, they'll be a mustard yellow, but when you find her in her nest, they'll be like dark brown because they've gotten dried. And just pick them out with tissue paper. That's about it.
I have a question.
What's up?
Why does her vagina get a baby name, but her anus gets the technical term?
Because anus is 2 syllables and yaya is 2 syllables. So it's short enough, it doesn't require a nickname.
Okay.
And that's the official reason. Thank you! Dolly thanks you! JJ, it doesn't thank you because JJ would rather that you eat her.